welcome back to a new video. I am still in New York City. I have had some really busy 2 weeks with like tons of meetings, had some castings and shoots, kind of like been running around a lot. Also had some time to actually see friends, so it's been kind of fun to just be out and about. But today I thought it would be nice to film a what I eat in a day for you guys. I do really notice, like with all the travel and stuff, it is way more challenging to kind of have this like balanced lifestyle. Honestly, I'm like really enjoying it. So I wanted to show you kind of what I eat in a day in the city while I don't have a kitchen, while I don't have a place to prep my own food because I'm in a hotel room. I actually did make a little matcha station here, and obviously I start my day with some water. Today I am just going to be out and about, and I will see you guys later for breakfast again. My plans of today changed a little bit. Welcome to my life. I have to take out a flight to LA this afternoon. Just gonna grab some breakfast quickly. I know it's like really warm. I'm not like super hungry. Also in the evening, our dinners are quite late. I just guess that's just like summer in city. So I'm just going to grab a protein smoothie. Late this afternoon I probably meet Jason and Jesse for lunch. So I think the nearest smoothie place is Barry's Bootcamp, so I'm gonna go there. Can I get the green latte bar? Super windy. So I got the green latte with mango, spinach, almond butter, vegan protein instead of the whey protein. Delicious. Alrighty, it is 2 p.m. right now. I'm going to meet Jason and Jesse in this ramen place, Ippudo. I've actually never been. So yeah, lunchtime. I'm hungry of like walking around a lot. So what do I order here?
They have really good shishito peppers with citrus yuzu.
But I can't eat spicy peppers.
Ramen?
Nothing we ordered you can eat.
Oh, you have everything spicy? Okay. Yeah. Okay. We got ramen here. We just finished our lunch. Now we're on the way uptown to go to this place called Keys Chocolate to try it out. I hope they have the chocolates we want. So I saw on the website they have like omakase boxes. So I'm going to do a little taste test there. I saw they have matcha rose chocolate or something. Yeah, then after I'm gonna go straight to the airport and catch the flight at 4 p.m. to LA tonight. Alrighty, I arrived in Santa Ana actually. A lot of the flights to LA were full, so I took another one. It is 7 p.m, kind of like dinner time right now for sure. And I always used to snack a lot in the planes and like eat when I was traveling. But I think because of COVID, obviously I don't really feel like doing this anymore. So I just had like a protein bar from Get Loopy. I'll pop it up here with like very clean ingredients in the plane. And yeah, I'm going to head home and probably order some dinner or something. Oh, I was in such a hurry because this whole travel day was so last minute today that I didn't have a bottle of water in the airplane. So I didn't drink really that much water. So first thing I had to do now is really hydrate. I always feel like a little bloated. Anyway, Max and I are going to Erewhon to just grab some food. They have like an amazing hot bar with like healthy foods and stuff. So shall we go, babe? Are you happy I'm back?
I'm very happy I'm back. I was actually supposed to leave today and I didn't.
I know.
I was supposed to leave tomorrow and I'm not.
And stay.
I'm staying because I love you so much.
Yeah, I'm probably getting some groceries too at the store. Not groceries, but just like some bananas, you know? Those are my staples. Bananas, avocados, eggs. Do you have eggs? No. What are you getting?
I don't know. Something right here.
Oh my god. Oh, here. I'm going to get this because I'm dehydrated. I need adaptogens. And this one, my friend Jordan launched. It's delicious. Alrighty, let's get food. What you bought?
Okay, so I saw this. It's a pilly nut, sprouted and slow dry. Pilly nuts dusted with Kyoto matcha. It's actually
Is it
really
savory or sweet?
I would say it's a mix of both. It's not too sweet. It's
doesn't make
actually a matcha snack that I love. I've had one bite. It's not too sweet and it's not too sour. It's just like just right.
Oh, I like
Really
it.
good, right?
I like it. It's not super sweet, but it isn't sweet.
Go home.
Kyoto matcha girls, it's delicious. Anyway, I got just a little bit of avocados, got some coconut yogurt, almonds, and I have some bananas and spinach to make a smoothie tomorrow. And now, let's eat. This is my go-to. This is an avocado white bean kale salad. I have a little piece of chicken and roasted carrots. Dinner. Oh yeah, I want to take breath. Now we can eat. We're doing a little taste test right here. I mean, when it comes to chocolate, this is really good. I think it melted a little.
I think it tastes amazing.
Yeah, now I'm full. Max is digging into dessert. I can't have any more.
It's not hot enough.
Not hot enough? I'm going to get ready for bed and sleep. I hope you guys enjoy watching this what I eat day. It was a little different than planned, obviously, because I didn't expect it to go all the way to LA today, but you know, this is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe and see you guys very soon.